Today we are making one of my all-time favorite takeaway items, salt and pepper prawns. With that, I'm going to be showing you how to do an amazing sweet chili dipping sauce from scratch, a stunning cold noodle salad. I'm a firm believer cold noodle salads don't get enough credit. So let's get started. So let's start by getting our veg out of the way. We're going to start with a red pepper. I much prefer red peppers for something like this as they're a little bit sweeter. I also like to cut it like that because it makes it more manageable to get a nice thin julienne. So we're going to get a julienne of peppers and a julienne of carrots. Once we're done that, we're going to take 1/4 of a large red cabbage and slice it on the mandolin, getting it as thin as possible. I'm then going to slice some spring onions at an angle, but just slice them how you're most comfortable. Once our veg is prepped, we're going to get onto our dressing. So in a separate bowl, we're going to add soy sauce, a good quality creamy peanut butter, some sesame oil, some rice vinegar, some white sugar, some minced garlic, minced ginger, the juice of a lime, and then we're going to get pre-cooked noodles into the bowl with our veg, pour over our dressing, and we have a fantastic cold noodle salad. Now we're going to get moving on to our sweet chili sauce. So into a bowl, we're going to get sugar, some dried chili flakes, grate some ginger, grate some garlic. We're then going to get in rice vinegar, some soy sauce, and then we're going to get that into a pot, mix that together, bring it to a simmer, and then we're going to add in our cornstarch slurry. Remember, all the weights and measurements will be in the description below. Mix that until it thickens up, and then take it off the heat and let it cool. For our prawn seasoning, it's just going to be salt, black pepper, and Chinese 5-spice. Mix that together and set aside, and now we move on to the prawns. So I am putting my prawns into a cornstarch and salt powder here, and then we just shake them about, make sure the cornstarch sticks, and get it into your hot oil. We're going to cook these till they are nice and golden, and then it is ready to start plating. Toss your prawns in your seasoning, getting as much or as little of the seasoning in there as you want. It depends on how salty you like it. Get that onto a board with some of your cold noodle salad, top with spring onions, making sure not to forget our sweet chili dip. As always, would love a like and subscribe, and share this with your friends and family.